Actually, Facebook has more viewers. YouTube, everybody not.
No, then we will do it on Facebook only.
I think background, it is better to remove the background.
Okay. Yeah, today we
do online, okay? Because once it is set, otherwise these talks, everything will.
No. Let this one at least announce that our guests are on their way. So, is it okay? I'm not having my chashma. I can't.
No, I will do that.
Okay. None. Okay. All set. Apply. Okay, you do it. Apply.
If it was like camera, I would have.
Chink, daughter is getting the camera. Can you see? Very good. Or bring it. Okay. Or still.
We stand here, we can put on the stand. You can give one more stand.
Tripod है क्या है?
I think this is okay. Huh? Maybe two will have to. I think that is better, no? Two will be better. He's given. Oh, okay. I'll just put one. Yeah, that makes. Yeah, only one.
The person has to speak from there, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, this will hide.
No, just go to the this thing, Zoom itself.
Oh.
Go back.
Okay.
Now that it is.
No, what I'm telling, that side if person stands and speaks, it is visible.
Okay.
And there is one more tripod. What I wanted to do, I wanted to use one more mobile to keep.
हमने बोला 420 तक आ जाए।
ठीक है सर, यहाँ पे रखवा देना उसको पीछे।
हाँ, यहाँ पीछे that will be.
यहाँ से तो सर वहाँ अच्छा है ना, because we will be speaking there.
That after March, we were not allowed to have regular meetings. It was always because of the lockdowns, we were not able to move and we were not able to meet. But in spite of that, we had regular Zoom meetings where we sat and planned a lot of things to take care of. That is, including during this lockdown period, we came up with different plans of how to take care of the migrants and other needy people who were stranded without food, shelter, and so many difficulties. As a group, we put in a lot of new programs, and we went ahead and supported quite a lot of them. And we should, at this point of time, mention a special thanks to our Rotarian Sanjay Goyal, Satish Goyal, and he extended his wholehearted support. And with his support and all the members here, who each one of them have contributed generously, we collected good amount of funds and then went ahead and distributed almost 700 food packets in a day to all the resident migrant labor, needy people, poor, and who were not able to get food outside. So we went from place to place distributing food. That was a very, very heartwarming action by the Bangalore Health City Club. And in addition to that, we also went ahead giving them a lot of face masks, sanitizers, soaps, and even PPEs to our Chandapura Health Club, Public Health Center, where it was used by the doctors, nurses, and other staff members. So even though we were not able to meet physically, And even though there was a lot of constraints and we were not able to see each other, but our programs did not come to a halt. It went on and on. And finally, at the end of the lockdown period, on May 1st, we decided that after this, the migrant laborers are moving out of the city and they were not to be here. So that is when we said that, okay, we can stop our food and other aids program, and then we stopped it. After that also, we were not able to meet. In spite of that, we were having regular Zoom meeting. It is commendable to say that we did not even miss a single meeting. We had meetings continuously and we did take lots of decisions to support and come up with new programs. So this year has been a very, very great year for me, especially as a president, because two very big things happened in my life. The first one I would like to mention is about a 3-year-old baby girl who is daughter of a servant maid, and she had to undergo open heart surgery. She could not afford that at 2.5-3 lakhs as a cost, and somehow the message reached me, and I knew that it is definitely possible for us to support this small child through Rotary. So I just flashed a message around in the Rotary circles saying that I have a small poor girl child who needs this operation and she has to be supported. Promptly, within 7-8 hours, I got a message saying that don't worry, go ahead, take the girl child to Jaydeva Hospital and everything will be done, and she could walk out cashless. That is the most heartwarming experience that I've had in Rotary. It is really nice to know that there are people, there are possibilities of extending this kind of support to people who need this kind of support. So I was literally melting because the lady called back and said that, thank you very much. The support was excellent and the operation is over. This operation was successful, and also the baby girl is doing very well. And this is the message that I got from a very poor lady who's a servant maid and whose daughter has been operated upon. And it is really excellent. And I was feeling so nice that I was able to extend this help to such a needy people. And the second thing that I would like to mention is about a very bright boy. For various reasons, his family was disturbed. Father was involved in some criminal activity, and the mother was struggling to support 2 children, and one of them was studying in 9th standard. So when the message reached me, I said, maybe we should be able to help this child. And I asked the mother what she wants. She says, just put him in some school and we should be thankful if this boy can continue his studies. So at that time, I remembered one of our Rotarians, Muthu Krishna. He is already supporting about 20 children by paying their school fees for their education in Vivekananda School. So the thought that came to my mind was, 20 children he's already supporting, one more child should not be a problem. I just called up Muthu Krishnan and asked him. He said, yes, no problem, we can support. So you go ahead and negotiate with the school and we can support him. And promptly I called up this lady and said that, yes, put him in the school, we can support. And immediately they put him in the school. And only one thing that Muthu Krishnan told me is, there's no point in simply giving money. If the child is not doing well, we will be wasting our money. And we need to monitor this boy's progress. And it was a very right thing to do. Then I called up the principal and told them that, they have to send me on a quarterly basis the boy's performance. You will all be surprised to know that this boy has been scoring 90-95% every quarter, and in the final exams he has scored 95% and he's being promoted to the 10th standard. And also, there are some teachers within the school who are extending help to him, and they said, this boy is so bright and we should be able to take care of him. And one of the teachers is doing his preparation for IAS exams, and he has promised me that he will help this child also clear IAS exams. So that is when it felt very, very, very nice, because this is nothing that, like I had to do something big. It was only getting the information from the right sources and passing it on to the right needy people. And it was very nice when I heard that he has got 95% marks, and it's excellent. It's something that we can all be proud of. I'm sure many more such events or instances will come to our notice. The thing is, I would request each one of you, at least try. Ask somebody, can we do something? Put it up in the weekly meetings and say, there is a requirement for so-and-so support. Can we support them through the club, or can somebody else sponsor this? So once we put all our thoughts together, and once we come up with something like this, and when we actually give the support to the right place in the right time, that is when we get absolute satisfaction. So I am extremely happy that I'm with Rotary. Now this is my 4th year, and every year has been excellent. Every year has been really great. And last year was the pinnacle of my 4 years of stay in Rotary. So it has been excellent year, and I'm sure it is going to continue for years to come. And it is my pleasure and a privilege to hand over the presidency to the next successor, J.K. Singh, and I'm sure he will also carry that forward in the right spirit. Thank you everybody, and welcome, J.K. Singh.
Thank you so much, sir, for your fruitful words. Now I request Varun to introduce to our new Skyrocker president, Chandra Kumar Singh.
किसान बैठ कर सकते हैं, they will visible to them, no? Who's on Zoom. By standing, I think they will not able to.
No, both. One is facing you only.
No, I am talking about Varun. He can sit there and read, no?
No problem.
No, he is visible.
Visible.
So I would like to introduce our new team and the lead new Skyrocker president, Jayendra Singh ji, to come over here and deliver our message. Just can you join?
अमित के पास है.
अच्छा,
अमित can read.
So our Rotarian Amit Pandey will be introducing about the Skyrocker president, Jayendra Singh.
Thank you so much, Varun. So it's a great opportunity to introduce, Mr. J.K. Singh. A little about Mr. J.K. Singh. What he says that he's an innovator, an entrepreneur with 25 years in business leadership, experienced in all aspects of business formation, operation, marketing, and management. Visionary product developer with deep learning in research and creativity. Effective communicator and motivator who identifies and leverages assets in teammates to reach organizational goals. Relentless optimist who believes there is no failure, only feedback. Strong command of business and management principles as they pertain to resource allocation. Lifetime learner committed to staying on top of the best current and emerging business practices. Attentive listener who is not afraid to incorporate the opinions of valued team members into policy and planning. And he runs a company, A to Z Glass India. A little about A to Z Glass India. It was incepted in 2014 with a vision of best service provider in and around Bangalore for the products. A to Z Glass India market its products and services through the website www.a2zglassindia.com, and this helps in reaching out to prospective customers across the South India and beyond. He has been in renowned glass companies as director and CEO for 15 years and got expected recognition. These business houses were manufacturers of windshield glasses, BP glasses, solar glasses, architectural glasses, and interior glasses. He has got a passion through his work, experience, and from that and his enthusiasm derived him to start his own business house. Personal details about Mr. J.K. Singh. He was born in Mainpuri, UP, and he completed his graduation from Agra and Lucknow University in Law, Science, and Social Work. And he also completed his post-graduation in Sociology from Agra University. After practicing in law for 3 years, he moved to Imphal, capital place of Manipur state, and worked as law officer in joint venture company of Government of Manipur and Oshwal Group of Industries. And then he moved on to Final Destiny at Bangalore and worked for BSG WPL till he started his own business in the name of A to Z Glass India in 2014. He is happily married to Ms. Sasi Singh, who is also a postgraduate in Sanskrit, and she is a supportive housewife. What he says is that without her, I may not make my dream translated to reality. He is blessed with son Jyotiraditya and daughters Dr. Jayanti, ophthalmologist, younger daughters Pavan and Aman in their final semester of BSW and BBA. His motto in life has been live life, learn lessons, liberate yourself, Satyameva Jayate. Thank you so much. So over to you. Welcome to sir.
Sorry, my apologies. No problem. Right. Okay.
Now we are going to have the pinning ceremony of the new team. So I
So we
welcome.
will also shift to the collar. Right. Yeah.
Please.
Please, the only people can.
With the secretary.
Yeah, I'm
With the secretary. Okay, you are secretary. The new.
present
Elected
Present
secretary can remove and
They can do it now.
Wait, no, wait.
Yes.
No, he will only remove that. Yes.
Oh, all right,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. What is in the agenda?
Now he will pin them.
I will pin the.
Yes.
Right. So, I request AG Dr. Veerappan to install J.K. Singh as the president for Health City Club starting today. Come. I will come. Hey, Prabha.
Yeah, please go.
Hey, Ramdas.
Your face is
Upside mind. Yeah.
Best wishes. Thank you, sir. Great time. Congrats. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Just wanted to announce to PDG's today's new First Lady's birthday also.
Many, many happy Great day.
Yes.
Now,
And
Honor
caller,
him.
the secretary. The secretary, yes.
Joint secretary, yeah. It's okay, right?
No, secretary.
Oh,
Secretary.
okay.
Open that.
Okay. Yeah.
So now
Next.
introduction of secretary.
No, he has to. Just, sir has
Sir,
to.
My
Add
Sir,
some
gathering.
good evening, friends. Good evening, sir. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome you to the 18th installation of Rotary Club of Bangalore, Health City for the year 2021. I welcome my family and my fellow Rotarians in this new journey ahead. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate DG Rotarian Nagendra Prasad and First Lady Meera Prasad for taking over the leadership of Rotary District 3190, a vibrant district we are all so proud to belong to. I am humbled that I have been given the responsibility of leading a club with a history of doing good for the last 18 years, and I promise the members of the club that I will give it my best shot. I would like to ensure that the good work is continued so that we can realize our vision to be the Rotary Club of choice for new members to join and make it a vibrant, diverse club in the next 12 months. I wish to thank the immediate past president, Rotary Chandra Mohan, for his stewardship over the last 24 months. One thing I have learned from him is that you keep smiling even when the message is not so delightful. We want, sir, I will not allow you to slip away into taking it easy.
I have already committed.
On behalf of the board, I wish to thank our members, my family and friends in advance for the support, and together with constant guidance from our galaxy of past presidents, I am extra confident of success. I also wish especially thank to incoming board of their willingness to serve, and I do look forward to your dedication, commitment, and support. The theme for this year is for a greener world, to align with District 3190's focus on environment for the year 2021. Being Rotarians, every one of us have something to give. Whoever we are, whatever our place in life, we can give our talent, our knowledge, and our ability to do the good to the society and make a genuine difference in the lives of others and in our bird to transform lives over the next 12 months. Being at the sweet age of 18, our club is proud of the diversity of its current members, which will continue to be very vibrant. More hands mean we can do more work to improve the lives of less fortunate. But we have recognized that as we need to grow and continue to work to keep our members engaged and energized. This year, our programs and activities, while maintaining a traditional slant, will also serve to create an environment that will allow our young professionals the time and space to truly get involved with activities. Now to the serious part of club affairs, plan for the year, fun and fellowship. My board this year will equally pay attention to organizing fun and fellowship events, which will include family fun day and impressive dinners, quizzes and games involving our families. This year, the goals set really reflect the changing face of our Rotary, as much of the emphasis on using the online tool, Club Central, an effective tool that will monitor and showcase our goals. We wish to urge all Rotarians to sign in to my Rotary and stay connected to Rotary and to the affair of our club. Foundation giving is another major area we need to look into on a serious note, and we will engage you. Our members is giving to the Rotary Foundation in all categories. We plan to induct Rotaract and Interacts into our fold so that the club get infused with young ideas and plans. I request each one of you to bring in at least one new members to get us more hand to work with our community services and to enjoy fellowship together. One of the greatest strengths of Rotary International is our ability to leverage our skill, our connections, and our resources to serve humanity. One needs to look no further than the community projects undertaken, the global grants implemented. So see the benefits. I am a firm believer that in this year of opportunities, Rotary will collaborate with local and international organizations to touch many lives in our district, other districts, and the world at large. Leveraging the skill of club members is what we intend to do, so that we have a very successful year of connections as Rotary open opportunity for all of us. In summary, our primary focus for the year will include membership development through innovative schemes, project and fundraiser for school and environment projects, speaker series, youth programs, health camps. Being a Rotarian is about the people we help. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters in Rotary is how much better the world becomes, because Rotary is in it. Because we made a difference, complacency will set Rotary back. That is why it is not enough for any of us to just go through the motions, to show up at our club meetings, to show up at our events, to do the minimum needed, just enough to be noticed and no more. I therefore wish to urge you all to attend club meetings regularly and recommit some more time to our projects and fellowship activities. Fellow Rotarians and guests, I humbly accept the post of President of the Rotary Club of Bangalore, Health City. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request Varun to introduce PDG.
Hi all. Now I would like to introduce Rotarian Prabhashankar. I will just read the bio. K.N. Prabhashankar is a chartered accountant by profession. He did his schooling and Bachelor of Commerce from Bangalore and completed his chartered accountancy in 1977. After serving for 2 years as finance executive in a Canadian company, he set up his own practice. He is the senior partner with K.N. Prabhashankar and Co., chartered accountant specialized in corporate accounts, taxation, and project funding. He is a fellow member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and also a member of Institute of Internal Auditors. He was also a director on board of directors of the State Bank of Mysore. He was actively involved as a director and audit committee chairman of SBM in the merger process with SBI, which took place in 2017. Prabha joined Rotary Club of Bangalore in 1986. He served the club as a chairman of various committees, treasurer, director, secretary before he served as a president during 1993 to 94. During this year as a president, a hospital and an additional floor for an existing school was built. He has served Rotary District 3190 in various capacities. He was the district chairman for various committees, district secretary, chairman for the 23rd Rotary District Conference, as assistant governor and member of the nominating committee to nominate district governor. He has participated in many districts as discussion leader, including the district leadership development program. He was group study exchange leader to IOWA USA during the year 1999 to 2000. He was the district governor of the district 3190 for the year 2003 to 2004. Under the leadership of Rotary International President Rotarian Jonathan Majigbe, with the theme "Lend a Hand." He gave an exceptional leadership to the district during the tenure. The district created a history in conducting number of blood donation camps, and the community service was its peak. He set new benchmark for District 3190 towards contribution to the Rotary Foundation. The total contribution to the Rotary Foundation during his year was $170,000. He represented Rotary International President for the district conference at Kolkata District 3290 during the year 2004 to 2005. He was the district trainer for the Rotary year 2005 to 6. He is also the recipient of Meritorious Service Award and Distinguished Service Award from the Rotary Foundation and Presidential Citation from the Rotary International. He has served as a co-chairman for Avoidable Blindness Project and coordinated matching grant project for conducting cataract surgeries in the various parts of Rotary districts in India. This project carried out free cataract surgeries for more than 19,000 needy patients. He was also a member of National Committee of the Rotary Foundation for 200 million USD fundraising program for polio. Currently, he is serving as Zone 7 coordinator for Rotary India Disaster Management. Prabha is married to Mukta, who is active and lends continuous support in Rotary activities. They have one daughter, Shilpa, who has completed her post-graduation in business management after completing the Bachelor of Commerce and supports her husband in business. She is married to Kedan Pishe. Prabha and Mukta have one granddaughter, Aniga Pishe, of 9 years. Prabha and Mukta are the major donors to the Rotary Foundation. He is involved in many organizations as trustee and board member. He is also the chairman of Bangalore Medical Services Trust, Rotary TTK Blood Bank, and a trustee of Bangalore Kidney Foundation. He is a founder director of DKMS BMST Foundation India, a national level stem cell registry which is joint venture with DKMS Germany, who are the world leader in the stem cell registry. He loves to be in the midst of friends and being socially active. He is a member of Bangalore Management Association, Bangalore Club, and Bowring Institute. We welcome you, sir, and we are very much delighted to have you in this meeting. Thank you.
I'll just add up.
Okay.
Prabha? Okay, we can hear you. I just want to add all of you that when Gitanjali and JK called me for a installation officer for the club, I was talking to some couple of people because of this COVID and everything. In fact, I spoke to Prabha 2 days back. I think Prabha is accepted very, very short notice. And also, I think the best thing can happen to having Prabha, one more thing is he's the one who installed me when he was a secretary. Oh, so to Rotary. Prabha and Captain Mani was the DG and Prabha was secretary. They installed me at Rotary 23 years before. Thanks, Prabha, for accepting our request and coming in. Thank you very much. Hey, Ramdas, very nice to see you. Thank you. So on behalf of DG Nagendra Prasad and Meera, First Lady Meera, and Installation Officer, our PDG Prabha, and also Secretary Ramdas, I have installed JK as the new president of the club. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I request PDG to address the gathering.
You see?
Good evening to everyone.
Good
Can you
evening.
hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's been a wonderful
Been
for me to come back to your club after many years. I have a very special relationship with your club, not because of anything else. It is because your charter president, Lakshmi Mani, and we go a long way knowing each other for more than 30 years. And Lakshmi Mani's husband, Captain Mani, who is the past district governor of our district 3190 and a past president of Rotary Club of Bangalore, we have worked very closely from 1988 onwards. It's been like a great journey for me with him, and I always consider him to be my mentor, my well-wisher, and same continues even after a captain's lifetime. Lakshmi, we have been very, very close. I'm not too sure. I think Lakshmi may not be there for this evening, but I do request all of you to convey my regards to Lakshmi. I certainly miss her this evening for not being over there. President J.K. Singh, Secretary Gitanjali, immediate past President Chandra Mohan, District Secretary Ramdas, my good friend, and my another good friend, Assistant Governor Veerappan, all the members of Rotary Bangalore Health City. Good evening once again to you. I bring greetings to you from the President of Rotary International for 2020-21, Rotarian Holger Nack, and his gracious Anne Susain. And I also bring greetings to you from our District Governor, Nagendra Prasad, and the First Lady of the district, Meera Prasad. I must say that JK, you are taking over at a very critical time and very crucial time. I know for sure that every president would like to have more of physical meeting, greet each other, spend some good time, have some fun. But you are taking over at a very, very critical time, and we still don't know how long this uncertainty is going to continue. I only hope that, we do find some solution for this and we really come out of it without much of any loss of life or loss of any other things. My dear friends, I must tell you that the Rotary International President, Holger, during his International Assembly, he gave a fantastic theme. The theme for the year for you is Rotary Opens Opportunities. What a fabulous theme it is. Even in my own case, when I joined Rotary in the year 1986, and that too, mother of all the clubs, Rotary Club of Bangalore, I was just 36 at that point of time. And it gave me a phenomenal opportunity after joining in there. I must tell you that I had to take over the club reins as the president due to certain uncertainties which prevailed at that point of time. And I had to take over 2 or 3 years ahead, even though there are certain rules and regulations in the club that a person has to complete 7 years being a member to be taking over as the president of the club, which is the Rotary Club of Bangalore bylaws. I had to take over in just 5 years, for which they accommodated me by making an amendment to the bylaws. On the day when I took over in the banquet hall of Ashoka Hotel, as you all know, Rotary Club of Bangalore has got a membership of always 250 plus. So we had more than 300 people sitting over there, including guests, spouses, Rotarians. So I was installed by then District Governor Suryanarayan Rao and I had to give my acknowledgement speech. I went to the mic, just looked up. More than 600 eyes were watching at me in that banquet hall. Literally, I trembled. For a moment, I thought I made a blunder in taking over as the president of the club. But believe me, that one split second which the thought came into my mind just vanished the moment I started my speech. And thereon, that opportunities, what our Rotary International president is talking about, came my way, and I never looked back from there on. So absolutely, such a wonderful theme he has given, saying that Rotary opens the opportunities. And he has asked the Rotarians to create opportunities that strengthen the leadership. That means it's just not that I become a leader of the club. I also need to support and make sure that we develop leadership in the club, which is what ultimately matters, that everybody should be able to take that leadership, take the organization forward, and make good service to the community. That is what further he says, help put service ideals into action. So whatever service is there in your mind, that has to be put into action and improve the lives of those in need. So, my dear friends, I just heard some plans of JK, who came out with what he has got plans for the year. It's a great plan for a club of your size and for your kind of membership. And it's all of you who have to support him and make sure that every project or every plans what he has put across, or the board what is going to put it across to you, are complied with, and you stand and support the president for achieving the targets which he has set himself. I also would like to compliment immediate past President Chandra Mohan. He gave 2 instances which changed his life for better by supporting one heart surgery and also by supporting a child for the education. These are certain things which will change our lives. These are certain things which will make us humble in our life. And this certainly will make us proud, I'm sure. When Chandra Mohan is laying down his office, he is very proud and very happy, contented that yes, he was able to do something and make some difference to the society. Now coming on to the membership, what our president talks about. There is no doubt about it, membership is really required to strengthen the Rotary. Better the membership, better the service you can extend, because more hands, more service, more hands, better finance, and you will be able to execute much larger projects. All of us know for sure that we independently can do projects, or we can assist people or help people in our own individual capacity. But why do we come together in a forum like Rotary? Because the size, the extent of service what we can do makes a difference over there. I may be able to support one child, I may be able to support two children, but at the end of the day, 30 of us, 50 of us, 200 of us come together, we make a difference to the entire society, not just for one person. So it is important that we need to increase the membership. He again says that please don't look at the quantity, not the numbers. He's not looking at the numbers. He is looking at sustainable and organic way of increasing the membership. What do we mean by sustainable and organic way? Sustainable, somebody who is going to be part of you, understand the meaning of Rotary, understand the importance of Rotary, and be part of the Rotary activities and help you and support you for your activities. And also, as I said, these qualities will give him better opening for improving upon his leadership. I'm not saying that people who are joining the Rotary are not leaders by themselves. They're all leaders. We're all leaders at par. That's the reason why we are there, and we are chosen to be a member of the Rotary because we are leaders in our profession. And select right members who will fit into the service motive. See, we have seen in the last few years, there used to be a saying in the past, in the political field. I'm sure, I think particularly people who are 50 plus or 55 plus will understand this, what I'm saying about. There used to be a phrase called as IR arms and GAIR arms. People used to come to politics, take the position, and then go away. People are there in one party, people move on to other party. But at the end of the day, what matters for us, retaining the membership, sustaining and nurturing them to become better Rotarians, and to motivate them to do service. So that is something which is very important. Other important aspect of it which he is trying to stress upon is have a long-term plan. Have a long-term plan for your club. So that means, how do you plan this? At least once in a year, if not twice, at least once in a year. I think all the members should come together, have a heart-to-heart talk about the future of the club, how you are going to build up the future, talk about the strategies which will be called as strategic planning, and plan for the next 5 years, which will give you enough strength and will also give you future leadership, which you will be able to develop and have some long-term projects which are sustaining, and not that it is a one-time project where people do come and just do the project and go away. To give you an example, my club, Rotary Club of Bangalore, when we were celebrating 50th year, Golden Jubilee year, we started and joined hands with the corporate sector, TTK group of companies, who are the manufacturers of prestige cookers and other kitchen appliances, joined hands with them to start a blood bank. And today, after 36 years, we have a blood bank which will take care of at least about 100,000 patients in a year by collecting more than 40,000 units of blood every year. And we do have a very high-tech lab, and we do separating of the blood, and we do the HLA typing. And I'm very proud that last year we joined hands with the world leaders called as DKMS from Germany, who are the stem cell registry group, which they joined hands with us, and we have set up one Section 8 company called as DKMS BMST Foundation India, where both of us have started registering the donors for the stem cell, which is required for the purpose of thalassemia patients and leukemia patients. In a year, we have already got about 50,000, more than 50,000 donors on our registry. And our club is targeting this year that they would facilitate another 50,000 additionally from our club alone. And these 50,000 donors have already facilitated 25 stem cell transmission, which is a wonderful number because the world average for one facilitation is approximately 12 to 15,000 donors on the registry, whereas in India, we have been successful in making it in 1 in 2 or 3,000 donors. And monetary wise, there is no limitation. Our German partners are willing to bring in any amount of money. So this is how what I say are called as sustaining projects, which will go a long way, which will continue to serve the community and will give continued satisfaction. And work out some kind of a leadership plan within the Rotary so that you are able to generate and produce good leaders for the future. This year, our President, however, has given a major stress on environment. In fact, I think if I'm right, Ramdas will vouch for me, that today I think they started off by planting trees. The
1,000,
district has
yes.
started the project. And this is something which has been really looked at it. And to do more to preserve the planet Earth, which is nothing but what we are going to preserve the environment. And we also need to work with our own people, our own Rotarians, and also work closely with the younger generation, because it is the younger generation who is going to give us new ideas, new thoughts, and probably they will have better ideas than us. We may have certain fixed ideas, we may not change at this point of time, but having now made Rotaractors who could be part of the Rotary from the last year, I think it has opened the gates for the Rotarians to bring in a lot of young people into the Rotary and make sure that we do take the support and help and come out with more clubs, probably with the younger generation, who would be able to sustain and give us a better leadership and better future. So going forward, he says Rotary is just not a club that you join. It is an invitation to endless opportunities to some. That's why he said Rotary opens opportunities, and every person should make use of these opportunities and be part of the society. And as we said, our Rotary International President-elect Shekhar Mehta keeps always saying that what we do service is nothing but what we pay rent to the society for, we being living in this world. I take this opportunity once again to congratulate and give my good wishes to JK and his team, and wish you all the best. Have a great year ahead. And at any given point of time, you need any kind of assistance, support, you can always look forward for my assistance and help. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, PDG Rotarian K.M. Prabhashankar sir, having an inspirational speech and giving a wonderful suggestions to the new leadership team. So now I would like to welcome Rotarian Ramdas sir. So the bio will be read by Pawan.
Ramdas has an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad and a master's degree found from the Delhi School of Economics. He is a gold medalist of Bangalore University in economics. He is also an alumnus of Harvard Kennedy School, USA. Ram most recently served as the MD and CEO of Jana Urban Foundation. He is the promoter of Jana Small Finance Bank. He is an experienced international banker of over 3 decades, including an 18-year-old stint at JP Morgan Chase in New York, the world's largest bank. Ram is a chartered member of Rotaract Club of Bangalore. He has served as president of Rotary Bangalore Downtown in 2015 to 16 and assistant governor in 2017-18. He is currently the district vocational service director. He is a district secretary for 2020-2021. Ram and Ann Lakshmi are second-level major donors to the Rotary Foundation with over $31,000 in lifetime giving. They have 2 sons and two lovely grandchildren.
So
Thank you.
now,
Ask him to address them.
now I will just request Ramdas sir to address the gathering.
Okay, thank you. I'm sure you can all hear me. In the interest of time and the fact that PDG Prabhashankar did an amazing job of covering what I call the waterfront of all issues, pertinent not only to the Rotary Bangalore Health City, but to the Rotary movement. I'll keep my remarks really brief. Thank you very much for that introduction. Good evening to lend a hand, past district governor, K.N. Prabhashankar. It's amazing, Prabha, that in all the years that I've known you, both in Rotary and socially, this is the first time I've heard you speak at this length. I just wish I had that opportunity earlier, but it sort of justifies the reputation that you carry within Rotary. So thank you very much for that. Dear Assistant Governor, my dear friend, Veerappan, Dr. Veerappan, Charter President, Rotarian Lakshmi Mani, I understand she's not there, but again, she's someone that I've heard a lot about. Our Dazzler President, immediate past President, Chandramohan, a Skyrocker President, as PDG Prabhashankar rightly started calling him JK. It is such a smart, short way of addressing him instead of Jayendra Singh, so JK. Skyrocker Secretary Gitanjali Dhar. Since yesterday, we've been exchanging a lot of messages, and JK, I can tell you that you have an absolute sure shot winner in your club secretary, Gitanjali. So you guys are going to surely rock. And I would be remiss if I didn't call out my co-president, past President Subodh Pandit, who greeted us earlier. Subodh is a dear friend. I'd like to wish First Lady Shashi Singh on her birthday today. So JK, I don't know how you planned it, whether you plan to have your installation on your wife's birthday or your wife's birthday just happened to be today. So regardless, brilliant planning. So let me very quickly say that the issues facing a young and a small club like Rotary Bangalore Health City is clearly what our PDG talked about, and JK also recognized in amongst his target goals, which is membership. Now, clearly hearing about the felicitating of nurses at the primary nursing care center near your place, distributing reusable masks and food articles to migrant workers during these pandemic times. Also running what is a very innovative program called Save the Bats campaign. And we're not talking about cricket bats, but we're talking about the bats that fly around and unfortunately have been given a very bad rap as being, the carriers of the pandemic. Your club has done some incredible things in the past year. So our Dazzler President truly deserves to, feel very satisfied. I was particularly, impressed to hear about Rotarian Muthukrishnan helping that young schoolboy not only go back to school, but to me, very importantly, something that Rotarians and Rotary does not do very often is once we have done or provided some service, we forget to follow up and understand what the impact of that service has been on the beneficiary of the service. And so I commend Rotarian Muthukrishnan for making the effort to following up on the child's progress, recognizing that he is indeed a very bright youngster. And so the takeaway for all of you is that not only should we serve, but we should make every effort to measure the impact of what we do. So I was just gathering a little information about your club, 24 members, 4 women members, and you've been, you were installed as a new club in 2003. And I'm just wondering, that seems to coincide with PDG Prabhashankar's year of district governorship. So probably it happened in your year, sir? Or?
No, Ramdas, I was the governor-elect at that time.
I see.
I was in 2003-04. It was in Bansali's time it was started.
Okay. So, but I think you should go ahead and just take the credit, sir, for this young and good club. And
No, I do take credit because Lakshmi Mani and we are so close.
there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. And of course, Captain Money being, from your club and so on. So the one thing I would say is on membership, as DG Nagendra Prasad has very often said that the focus is going to be largely on membership. We would like to retain the position or regain the position of being the world's #1 district in terms of members, quality members, as PDG Prabhashankar rightly said. But in order to do that, you need more than just intent. You need to be people of action. You need to follow up. And the way you go about it is to lean on, besides your own resources, please lean on the excellent resources that the district is making available to all clubs this year. So for instance, last evening at about 8 o'clock, and it was a little late, I had a series of Zoom calls, but I ended up at 8 o'clock being part of something called Membership Matters. It was about a 1.5-hour symposium or seminar on various issues relating to membership, which touched upon external extension, as they call it, internal extension, which is basically retention of members. It talked about women in Rotary, and a dear friend of mine and Rotarian Rashmi Tangsali is chairing that effort this year. So I would highly recommend that you as a club, and especially your membership share, please get in touch with this committee. In fact, at the end of this call, I will share with you the PowerPoint presentation that was shown yesterday. So that will be a good start. So please reach out for these resources. And my hope for your club, my expectation, if you will, is that you will go from 24 to 40 by the end of this year. Let us think big, let us aspire, because to be a vibrant club, you need to be minimally at a size of 40 members. And please make sure that at least 50% of them are women in Rotary. I think you can do that. You're a club that has already shown you can showcase the projects that you do, and you can immediately, attract the right kind of member. So please, if there's one message I'd like to leave with you, please concentrate on that. The rest of it is like preaching to the choir. You're already doing a great job. AG Veerappan and I, District Secretary Ram, will be always available. We are a phone call away to answer any questions, to extend any support, anything to do with training or things that might have worked successfully at other clubs. So we are happy to do that. I think that little sound there was my signal that I've spoken too long. So again, thank you very much for inviting me, and lots of good luck to you. God bless. Thank you.
So thank you, sir, for a wonderful speech. Hope every member is happen to listen to the message sir has told. So now I am very much delighted and excited to just introduce our AG, Dr. Veerappan.
Time is running.
It's okay, I think.
Yeah, you please carry on.
So I'll just have a brief bio of Veerappan, sir. So he has done BE from Annamalai University in 1982, and he has got honorary doctorate for the contributions in engineering and society. And he is a co-founder and president of TSOL Semiconductor Private Limited and co-founder and director of TAPP Semiconductor India Private Limited. And he has a very lengthy bio, so hope everybody will know.
I'll not take much time.
Now, next we are moving on to the installation ceremony. I would
First, sir, we are going on a new path. So it was our Dazzler president's wish that we should have our own website. So we have worked on it. So we want PDG to kindly open the website, and we will say it as an inauguration of our website.
Share it to the screen. We can
share
just,
it. Come on. Amit is our director, Skyrocker director for public image. So he is taken on the job of creating the website.
You have shared the screen?
I have shared my
Super. It's visible?
Yeah, it's visible. The screen, your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible. Just a second. Or, just a second.
Share screen. Okay.
Yeah, just a second. Can we,
something you can share from that.
hmm?
Or sir can just
Can you just open on that?
Bangalore.helcity.org.
Can you see Varun? It's complete. Yeah.
Can you just open the
You're the co-host. You can just share this.
Yeah, it's come.
It's come. Yes. So the name of the website is going to be www.rotarybangalore.helcity.org. Please keep checking our website, and thank you.
Thank you. And I would like to inaugurate and declare this website as open. Congratulations to all the Health City Rotarians for coming out with this. And I'll certainly, in due course, have a look at it and give you a feedback on this. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
So thank you, sir, for official inauguration, and I would also congratulate our member for website contribution. So now we will move on to this installation ceremony
Of the board.
of the board members. So now I welcome Veerappan sir to officially
Yeah.
do the ceremony.
Install the board.
Inside.
Ramdas,
Yes, sir.
I should have shared the agenda with them earlier, which I have not done. So it's going a different way.
Veerappan, as they say, for a charming guy like you, Saat Khoon Maaf. You have 6 more murders that you can commit.
Installation officer should speak at the end.
Don't worry, nothing to worry about it.
And don't even.
Let me tell you, Veerappan. Let me tell you, Veerappan, you will have the last word.
Correct.
Yes,
So,
you have.
I was seeing, but yeah, I thought things are going. I didn't want to stop.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Sir, I think Rotary is changing. So this is a small change.
Yes, yes. Accepted, accepted.
I'm happy to install. So I few words to all of you. I think I just want to always tell, by joining in Rotary, we all made a difference. I think we are all whom we are sitting here in Rotary, our district, the Rotary world. I think we are all different. We made the world different. I think we should be so proud to be a Rotarian. I think whether you were Rotarian for 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, I think we are all proud to be a Rotarian first.
So my congratulations and thanks to all of you for being a Rotarian first. I think you all represent different people in the world. I think moreover than service above self. I think the motive you all know, right? We need not tell about Rotary to all of you. You are all in Rotary. So please make sure that you, I think I have nothing more to say. For want of time, I'm telling you, focus on service. I think focus on service is the only word which we all have to really do. So there are a lot of examples, exemplary Rotarian like Prabha, Ramdas, all of you can see. All of them have really committed. We always come and say there's no time. But I don't know how these guys find time. All of them, when I see Prabha for a long time, I'm seeing him for the last 23, 24 years, Ramdas, all of them, I don't know how they spend time. So first of all, don't think it's voluntary. I think the moment you think it's voluntary, you have to take your own time. I think we all have to take this as a serious business. Right. See, the moment you think, no, it's like a voluntary thing, which whenever I want to do. I think by seeing all the PDGs, they have devoted the life for 3-4 years for Rotary, full time. I think now, you see the DG, Nagendra Prasad, now you see the last 2 years they have been spending only on Rotary all the time. I think we as a club, so my request to all of you is, please take it seriously.
Sure, sir.
Take it seriously.
Allocate some time.
Allocate some time for it and do it as a business. I think it's come many times. So my request to all of you is take it seriously and do a great service. So wish you all the very best and thanks for the opportunity. On behalf of DG Nagendra Prasad, Meera Prasad, our installation officer Prabha Shankar and District Secretary Ramdas, I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
I install the board members.
Gitanjali will be the secretary.
Ma'am, you can come on. So Gitanjali is secretary, madam. So president relaxes, secretary works.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Next, she will announce. Treasurer is online.
Okay, online we'll pin.
Yeah, Ganeshan. Yeah, Ganeshan, are you there? Yeah, you have to. This is Ganeshan, so you can please pin yourself.
You can make him a video spotlight.
Yes.
Ganeshan, all the best. Get more money for the club.
Yes. Yes. Next.
Varun Uday as joint secretary. Varun. Sergeant at Arms.
Ma'am. Oh, Subirji.
Director.
Director membership.
This one, no?
Subodhji, our club is hoping our membership
Expand.
to expand.
24 to 40 is the target.
Yes.
Today one started.
Yes.
Started.
Thank you so much.
Started. Yes.
Subodh,
Yes, sir.
congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You got to get this up to 40.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next is youth service.
Chandramohan sir, next is youth service.
So you made him IPP youth. Less youth.
He has been working with schools, so we thought
Okay.
he's the right person.
Vocational service. Vidyakar. Community service.
Image. Amit,
Public image.
thanks again, Amit, for giving
He-
us
he's,
the
he's,
virtual
he's starting off with a
presence.
bang. Okay. Public image and website. And Director of Vocational Services.
Yeah, Vidyadhar.
Thank you.
Is
Congratulations.
Vidyadhar there?
No,
No.
not there.
Madhusudan is also not there.
Uh,
Okay, now foundation chair.
Foundation, okay,
Foundation.
money man. Get money. To get money, now Rotary is looking at a lot of money for doing service.
Yeah.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much.
Ram sir, this is my husband.
Yeah. Hello,
Subir.
sir. I just interacted.
Yes, I know. We've been communicating. And Subir and JK, I will tell you, when it comes to the foundation, the person you should really lean on is that guy between the two of you, standing between the two of you.
Thank you, sir.
Veerappan is the man. Good luck.
Director Community Services and Director Vocational Services.
Okay.
And they were not able to come today.
Okay.
We will install them.
Good.
Now I request the secretary to come and give the vote of thanks for the.
Okay.
Come, JK, come. Stand here.
So I'm reading. So very good evening to all of you, respected fellow Rotarians, as we come closer to this year's installation function of Skyrockers of Rotary Bangalore Health City. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to this August gathering here and everyone watching us online. Thank you, sirs. We are really honored to have you both online there. My very special thanks to the chief guest, PDG Rotarian K.N. Prabhashankar, for giving us an inspirational speech today. We have taken special note of your suggestion of making the club grow in a sustainable and organic way, and promise you that we shall work towards it with what we do for the community to set an example for people wanting to join our club.
Prabha, she has written it before your speech.
I wrote it. I am a serious note taker, sir.
No. Just kidding. Okay.
Okay, with pleasure, I extend my sincere thanks to the guest of honor, District Secretary Rotarian Ram, with whom I have been interacting since yesterday.
Thank you.
Who had highlighted the directions for taking the club to greater heights. We shall be in constant touch with you, sir, for your guidance.
Thank you.
I thank our club AG Rotarian Dr. Veerappan, who will be guiding us along this year. The entire team of Rotary Bangalore Health City is thanking you for your motivational presence. Thank you, Rotarian Varun, for introducing the guest, and Ms. Pawan. We thank you for beautifully anchoring today's event. Dazzler President, we thank you for all your efforts, along with First Lady Shashikala, for all coordinating in hosting this event here at Sai Vishram. As immediate past president, we shall keep seeking your advice in future too.
Sure.
Finally, I thank you all our members.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
So fellow Rotarians. Okay, finally, I thank you all, our members, new and old, who have been the binding force year on year since last 18 years, having laid a strong foundation for doing good to the community along with the fellowship events. We, the new Skyrocket team of 2021, thank all of you for selecting us to lead the club through for the next 12 months. And we promise you to continue to keep sparkle on of our club and will strive to take the club to newer heights with all your best wishes and guidance. Thanks again and wishing you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Wish you all the best once again.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, Veerappan. Thank you, Ram.
Thank you, sir.
And once
Thank
again,
you.
all the best.
We have national
JK.
anthem.
Okay.
All the best to Health City. Thank you very much.
Yes. So, start.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव
शुभ आशीष मांगे
गाहे
तव जय गाथा
जनगण मंगलदायक
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Thank you. Thank you.
जय जय
Thank you,
Prabha.
thank
Thank
you.
Thanks, Prabha. Thanks, Ramdas.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. God bless. Take care.
All the best, JK.
meeting card to Arvind.
Huh.
Meeting order, I think. Should have.